Hi everybody, welcome back to the Master Flow Plumbing YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the two most common things that go wrong with the garbage disposal that the average homeowner doesn't seem to know about. So I'm going to give you a couple of secrets real quick so it prevents you from having to call a guy like me. Before we begin though, click that subscribe button and like our video. It helps us out quite a bit. Alright, so if your garbage disposal is making a humming sound, but it's not doing anything else, that means it's become jammed up, okay? And it is exactly what it's trying to do is it's trying to turn, but it can't. And if you leave it on long enough trying to do that, it's gonna pop the reset button. And I'm gonna show you how to take care of that too next. But to begin with, every garbage disposal made by InSinkErator comes with one of these. Okay, I have not seen one yet that didn't come with one. So if you have something like this that's laying underneath your sink, that's what us plumbers usually will do with them. I hand them to my customers so that they know what it is, and I explain to them what it is, just like I'm doing for you in this video. InSinkErator used to give you this nice little plastic envelope that would stick to the side of your cabinet door and you could put it in there. So if you have a really old one, maybe you have that laying around. So it's going to be a little bit hard on the video to show you, and of course this garbage disposal is not having a problem at the moment, but it doesn't need to show you this demonstration. Okay, so this wrench right here is just an Allen wrench. So if you don't have this, find an Allen wrench that will fit. I am sorry, but I do not know the exact size of it. I believe it is standard, not metric. So with that said, right dead center on the bottom of the disposal is where this goes. Okay, so you're going to just simply insert that into the bottom of this, right in the center. And again, I'm not even going to look. I've done it so many times. Now that I have that in there, what I can do is I can manually turn the garbage disposal. And if it's jammed, it's going to be hard. Okay, so like if you got something in there like a piece of plastic or you drop something in there, of course you want to try to get that out first. But there are circumstances where you can't get the piece out, and all you're going to do is go back and forth with this the best you can to try to break it free. Once you've broken it free, try to run the disposal in some water, and you may hear whatever it was that was stuck in there. You may hear it hopping around in there, making all kinds of noise and racket. At that point, if it doesn't actually just get pushed down the drain, relatively quickly, maybe stop the disposal, unplug it, and take a flashlight and gently open up the rubber pieces down here in the bottom of the disposal and look and see if you can see what's in there. Real common to find popcorn kernels and fish tank gravel, things like that. It's all stuff that doesn't really belong in your disposal, but it winds up there sometimes. So let's say you got it all freed up, but yet you hit the switch and it still doesn't come on. Okay, on the bottom of it there's a red reset button. Okay, and it's right here. You'll be able to see the picture we'll put up on the screen for you because I know you can't see it with the camera like this. And you're going to simply push that red reset button. 9 times out of 10 you're going to hear a little click or feel a little click when it does it. And at that point you've reset your disposal. So if you've got this to where this is turning freely back and forth now and you've hit that reset button, probably a really good likelihood you can turn on the water and throw your switch and your garbage disposal is going to be working again. I would suggest always just running a lot of water with whatever you do put down the disposal. Rule of thumb is no more than a handful of food at a time. Things like potato peels and things like that you should stay away from because they're actually too thin to really get ground up in there. That's it for this video. Again, click the subscribe button and like the video. It helps us out quite a bit, and you folks have a great day.